Hi everybody, Katrina here. I'm so excited to be teaching the Prenatal Yoga workshop at Twist this Sunday from 2 to 3:30. I love to teach prenatal yoga because it's such a sweet space to come share in with women on their pregnancy journey. Regardless of where you are on your journey, there's something for everybody, and it's really just a nice way to come and gather with other pregnant women and move your body. And we do movement that's safe and that really helps to prepare for moving further through your pregnancy and then also labor itself, and then hopefully to help prepare better for recovery from birth. We do breath work that helps to facilitate that mind-body connection and really helps you practice intentional breathing. Again, helpful through pregnancy, especially in labor, and then afterward when you have a newborn at home. And then we do a lot of pelvic floor work that goes way beyond the Kegels we all know about to help strengthen the pelvic floor and to soften it and to really just be in awareness of it. So come gather with us this Sunday, share in your journey, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you on the mat.